Why you can smell rain before it falls? Have you ever noticed it? That fresh, earthy scent in the air just before rain starts. You step outside, and somehow you already know what's coming even before the first drop falls. This isn't imagination. It's science. The smell has a name, petrichor, and it's created by a combination of natural processes that happen right before and during rainfall. One major source comes from plants. During dry periods, plants release oily compounds into the soil and onto surfaces like rocks and pavement. These oils build up quietly over time, completely unnoticed. Then, when humidity rises before a rainstorm, those compounds begin to react. As the first raindrops hit the ground, they trap tiny air bubbles. Those bubbles burst upward, releasing microscopic particles into the air, including the plant oils. That sudden release is what your nose detects as the rain smell, but that's only part of the story. Another key ingredient is something called geosmin. Geosmin is a chemical produced by soil-dwelling bacteria called actinomycetes. These microbes thrive in moist environments, and when rain disturbs the soil, geosmin gets released into the air. Humans are incredibly sensitive to this compound. In fact, we can detect geosmin at concentrations as low as a few parts per trillion, far more sensitive than many animals. Scientists believe this sensitivity may be evolutionary. For early humans, being able to smell rain meant detecting approaching storms, fresh water sources, and changes in weather patterns, all critical for survival. Your brain still carries that ancient ability. And there's one more factor. Just before rainfall, humidity rises and air pressure drops. These changes help scent molecules travel more efficiently through the air, making smells stronger and easier to detect. So when you smell rain, it's not just one thing happening. It's a perfect combination of plant oils rising from the ground, bacteria releasing geosmin, raindrops aerosolizing particles, and atmospheric conditions amplifying the scent, all working together. What's fascinating is that this smell often arrives before the rain itself because wind carries these particles ahead of the storm. Your nose is literally detecting a weather change moving toward you. It's like a natural early warning system built into your senses. So the next time you step outside and catch that familiar earthy scent in the air, remember, you're not just smelling rain. You're sensing a hidden chemical signal, one that humans have been relying on for thousands of years. A reminder that even in the modern world, some of our oldest instincts are still quietly working in the background.